Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about le temps. Le temps can be in French two different things. It can be time, what is relating to time, and it also can be what is relating to the weather. I'm not going to talk about weather today. I will do that in another lesson. I'm going to take the part that is time. For example, I'm going to teach you how to say like for example, second, like 1 second, and then after I will say seconds. So 1 second will be une seconde, les secondes. 1 minute, les minutes. This is the same. That's 1 minute, minutes. So I'm going to do the same with hours. So the first one will be for one. I will not say each time one, or I might, but you know what I mean? This is the first one will be singular, the second will be plural. So, hour, hours, une heure, les heures. Day, days, one day. Un jour, les jours. 1 month, months. Un mois, les mois. I should have talked about weeks too. So, 1 week, weeks. Une semaine, les semaines. On va aller avec les années maintenant. Okay, we're going to go with years. 1 year, years. Une année, des années, ou les années. Because you also have to remember about les and des. It's like un, une, des. L'autre, the other one, it's le, la, L apostrophe. You remember this lesson? Well, you have to go back on that too to make sure what I'm talking about. You have one decade, decades. Une décennie, des décennies. You have also one century, centuries. Un siècle, des siècles. So I think it's enough about the time. Now I'm going to tell you again all what I said, and I'm going to say in French only. So you will go back in the beginning to know which one they are. And most they are not very hard. When you see a second, you understand this is second, second. It's not or minutes, minute. I mean, hour, heure. You can figure it out for most of them. So, in French again, and I'm going to say all singular at this time. Une seconde, une minute, une heure, un jour, une semaine, un mois, une année ou un an. Une décennie, un siècle. Alors, now I'm going to say with the plural. Des secondes, des minutes, des heures, des jours, des semaines, des mois, des années, des décennies, des siècles. Just know that they have accent on some of them. Like décennie, for example, siècle. You want to go to the lesson with accent for that. And, try to say, for example, singular, plural. Une heure, des heures. un siècle, des siècles. You remember then at the end they will have S, if it's plural, of course. You don't pronounce the S. If you notice, I say un siècle, des siècles. This is the same pronunciation that I say. I don't pronounce the final S. I say une minute, des minutes. I do not pronounce the S for des minutes. The same for everything. I'm going to repeat again to make sure you listen very carefully that I don't say the final S. Because most of the time you will not have to pronounce the S, the final S. They have exception for everything, but on this lesson you don't have. So, une seconde, des secondes. You see, same pronunciation. Une minute, des minutes. Une heure, des heures. Un jour, des jours. You also can say, actually, une journée, des journées. It depends if you want to use jour or journée. Same that I say un an, une année. It depends which of the word you want to use. And actually, one is masculine, one is feminine. So all of that will have to be in a lesson much after, because that already to have them accorded together, because if it's feminine, so the rest have to be feminine. If it's masculine, it has to be masculine. Same if it's singular or plural. There is plenty of things that is going to be in lesson way after that. You cannot know those things. You don't know enough of French to manage to know those other things. They have things more important to know at this time. Une semaine, des semaines. You see, same, I didn't pronounce the S. Un mois, des mois. Anyway, for un mois, des mois is the same. Is the S, final S for the boss. So, no difference. Because in singular is finished by S, is what I'm trying to say. So, I already said for an, année. Une décennie, des décennies, same. You didn't hear me pronouncing the S, final S. Un siècle, des siècles. Okay, so learn that, and if you like it, please subscribe for next lesson. Bye-bye, stay safe, and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.